Manufactured in the UK, lifelong garages really are built to last. Whether you need utility space, a workshop, or storage, the lifelong garage could be exactly what you're looking for. Our steel garages are exceptionally strong and versatile, a great choice for anyone needing a larger storage area that offers benefits that go far beyond a simple garden shed. Be it classic cars, expensive tools, or heavy equipment, our steel garages offer a level of security that a wooden structure simply can't match. Unlike wood, steel does not rot, warp, or attract pests and rodents, ensuring your costly items are protected from both human and environmental damage for the long term. Lifelong garages aren't just stylish, they're extremely robust and secure too. Made with a maintenance-free, PVC-coated steel cladding fitted onto a heavy-duty steel box frame. Unlike the sheds, we recommend a solid concrete base prepared prior to delivery for our garages. An anti-condensation treatment on the roof sheets ensures that condensation doesn't build up on the inside. A secure 8 feet wide roller door on the front and a steel personnel door on the side are included as standard. A wide range of optional extras and security features are available, such as an extra-wide personnel door or double doors for wider access on the side or rear. For a lighter feel, you can add extra windows on the side too. Extra security features such as a lock cover guard, deadbolt lock and window bars are available should you need them. Shelves can be fitted the full width of the garage, along with hooks for hanging tools, and workbenches could provide a useful workspace. A light switch and sockets can be added. You'll need an electrician to handle the wiring and connection. Lifelong garages and commercial buildings are available in 5 colors: olive green, anthracite, Van Dyke brown, goosewing grey and terracotta. All garages feature a black roof and trim. Should you need something bigger or with a higher roof, custom sizes can be made. Or if you just need some extra information about the buildings, please don't hesitate to contact us. And feel free to request one of our brochures from the website.